Looking for the best winches? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 winches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Worn PullzAll lifting and pulling tool. Part of their portable winch lineup, this comes with a rechargeable battery and a 110 volt AC. Lifts or pulls 1,000 pounds. Nice features like an easy forward and reverse button, industrial grade hook, and electronic load limiter. Super convenient cordless model for ultimate transportability. Comparatively short rope length at 15 feet. Only rated for 1,000 pounds, which could be limiting. At number 2. Champion ATV and UTV winch kit. Great value for a quality piece of equipment. The included mounting channel makes it a great option for mounting on your ATV for added power. Includes a roller fair lead and remote. Offers 2,000 pound capacity for under $70, which is a great deal for short-term or smaller projects. Some users have had to replace the included cable for one of higher quality. Gets hot on long pulls. At number 1. Smittybilt 97,495 XRC Winch. A beast with a 9,500 pound capacity, which soars past its competition. The magnet in the control handle is a convenient detail. Includes the roller fair lead for reduced friction and a good quality hook. Limited lifetime warranty. Full of features that are designed for durability, such as an amphibious motor. Some users have noted that the electrical cables are difficult to attach, and the mounting bracket may require modification for some situations. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.